Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make one of these flip books to show how you decompose your teen numbers in different ways. It's really simple and it's a really fun way for you to quiz yourself or practice showing your teen numbers, or you can really do it with other things too, but we'll try that today. So what you're going to need is a sheet of paper, some scissors, and something to write with, and that's it. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna fold it the long way. So this is the paper up and down. You're gonna flip it and fold it. We call this hot dog style. So you're folding the long side to the other long side. Make sure that the ends line up as much as you can, and then fold it down. And then on the front, you're going to, so you'll see it opens up. On the front, you're gonna write some teen numbers, and you can decide which numbers you want to write. You should write at least 3, but you can do more than 3 if you want. I'm gonna do 13, 14, 15, and 16. I'm gonna try to fit 4 on here. But remember, you can choose the numbers that you want, and if you want to do just 3, if it's hard to fit 4 on there, you can do that too. Then what you're going to do is you're going to open it up, and you're going to try to make different ways to decompose your numbers right underneath where you drew them. It might be helpful for you first to fold them so you know where to make your numbers. So after the number 13, I'm going to fold that number down. See, there's a line here, and so then when I open it up, I'll know that I need to make my decomposing 13 right in this square and not go over that line. So I'm going to do that for the rest of my numbers. I'm going to fold it where 14 is, and then I'm going to fold it where 15 ends, and then 16 has its own little box too. All right, so now that they've all got their own boxes, I'm going to open it up. Down here, not in the top part, but on the bottom part, you're going to write a different way to show that number, to show that you're decomposing. So for 13, maybe I'll make a number bond. So I'm going to show 13, and the parts of 13 are 10 and 3. For the next number, I want you to think of another way you can show it. Maybe you can write a number sentence. 14 is 10 plus 4. For 15, think of another way. Maybe this time I'll do a drawing. I'll draw 10 dots and 5 more dots. And then think of one more way. What's another way to show that teen number? Maybe I could just write the say 10 way. I could say 10, 6. Okay, so you'll see that I showed a bunch of different ways to show my teen numbers. You are required to show at least these 2 ways, at least to have one number bond and one number sentence. If you want to do more than one number bond, like maybe I wanted to make this one a number bond, or more than one number sentence, maybe I wanted to make this one 10 plus 6, then you can do that too, but you have to have at least 2, and then, or at least one of each, and then the other ones you can come up with what you think to show that number. Once you have all of your examples, then you're going to take your scissors, you're going to keep it open like this, and you're just going to cut on the lines of the top. So I'm going to cut right next to my 13, 14, and 15. But make sure you stop once you get to the fold, because if you cut too far, then they're going to fall apart. So now I have this whole little number book, and then you can practice looking at your numbers by flipping it up to see the way that you showed it. Maybe you can play with a family member, you can quiz them and see if they can think of ways to show it. Or another way you could do it is by flipping the numbers over. You could show your family member the way you decomposed and have them guess what the number is. Like you could show them these dots and say, what number is this? And then see if they can figure it out and then show them the answer. So this is a really fun way to practice decomposing teen numbers. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Bye guys.